there's another recently extinct animal that you may or may not have known existed, the Japanese sea lion. The Japanese sea lion was a type of sea lion native to a bunch of areas around Japan and Korea. It was last seen around the early 1950s, and there are still efforts being made to find out if there are any still existing Japanese sea lions, but so far those have been unsuccessful. The extinction of the Japanese sea lion, along with the extinction of the Caribbean monk seal, are the two most recent marine mammal extinctions. And the reason for the extinction of the Japanese sea lion is due to hunting and exploitation. The main product sourced from the Japanese sea lion was oil for lamps, but the skin and organs were also used for various things like medicines. They were also occasionally captured for the circus trade, and if you know anything about old-time circus as well as some modern circuses, those conditions were very not good to the animals or the people. Additionally, there's some evidence that these guys were also just hunted for sport instead of actually using the animals, which... Now, I did say that these guys have not been reliably seen since the 1950s. There have been some unconfirmed sightings specifically around South Korea. However, it is most likely that that was just a misidentification of the Steller's sea lion. Now, there is an initiative by the Japanese government to reintroduce sea lions to the kind of seas and coasts of Japan. And obviously the ideal ones would be Japanese sea lions, so there are still currently efforts being made to find any Japanese sea lions to see if there's a population that somehow hasn't been hunted to extinction that they can bring into captivity to breed in a safe place and be reintroduced around Japan. However, if it is fully confirmed that there are definitely no more Japanese sea lions around, then the species will, I guess, be substituted with California sea lions. Obviously, we are hoping for best case scenario that there is a well and good population of Japanese sea lions that can be successfully captive bred, but I don't know if we are holding our breath for that, unfortunately.